Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. But if you're new here, hey, my name is Jessica. Thanks for clicking. So today I am feeling really lazy, as you can tell by my little getup. I just want to do a little chatty video, you guys, and talk about all the fashion trends I've been liking lately. And this is not necessarily what's quote unquote on trend and has been seen in the fashion shows, but just things that I've been really liking lately that I've been looking for in Poshmark or eBay or even secondhand in stores. And you know, sometimes it gets so repetitive just watching all these videos of what's quote unquote on trend. It's nice and refreshing to see what someone personally is looking for right now and what they personally like, rather than what's forecasted or what is to be liked. So let's get into it. Obviously, I have a little PowerPoint like always to just explain and articulate briefly all the things that I like, because there's a good amount here. So yeah, let's get into the things that I've been liking lately. So firstly, I've been so into asymmetrical tops and dresses. And asymmetrical as in like one side is shorter than the other, or the sleeves are different. One is short sleeve, one is long sleeve, one's a strap, one's things like that. I've been really liking lately. And I'm gonna just say I've been so heavily influenced by this YouTuber influencer in UK. Her name is Olivia Hearst. If I'm not, I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Her name is Olivia Hearst, and her style is so cool. It's very progressive, very futuristic looking, and it has like hints of 90s and Y2K. That's why I really like it. And I think a lot of the elements kind of resembles like HEYYY. And HEYYY's style is very minimal, and there's like a lot of draping, a lot of texture to things, very subtle. And that's what I've been really into, like minimal little details and things. And I think that is such a cute and different twist to like a basic. Imagine like a white t-shirt but it's asymmetrical, or a tank top to wear for the spring and summer but it's asymmetrical. It is very minimal, but also there's like little hints of like progressive and futuristic. I don't know, I just really like that style. And of course I'm looking in eBay and Poshmark, and also like in the thrift stores or something that, you know, catches my eye. I'm gonna be honest, I haven't found anything that really caught my eye yet, but you know, it's really soon to tell. I am looking kind of towards spring and summer things, so more like tank tops and light tops, and maybe like slip dresses. You never know. Of course I will do a thrift haul once I find these things, because I'm obsessed and I love that type of style. And I know it's not really on trend right now. I don't think it's predicted to be trending for spring, but I think I will definitely wear a lot of this like asymmetrical element to my outfits, because I think it's very edgy. The next trend is cargo pants and cargo skirts. I'm gonna be honest, I've been talking about cargo pants for such a long time. I think in my last fall trends video I talked about cargo pants, and it's true. Like cargo pants are kind of universal at this point. I've been seeing a lot of people wearing them for the fall and for the spring, so I definitely am really excited to wear it. And I love the kind of masculine feel to it, and I love the utilitarian kind of feel to it, because it has a lot of pockets. You can wear them to hikes and to like go out as well with like a cool and a unique top. I just love the, I guess, practicality of it all, and also I like how it kind of gives it a more masculine feel to an outfit. And I did have the luck of finding a mini skirt with like the shorts underneath it, and I can't wait to wear it for the spring and summer. So yeah, I am looking for more. I'm obsessed with cargo pants and skirts. Very excited to wear it. So the next trend I've been loving lately is Y2K themed tops. So there's a lot of categories of what I consider Y2K themed. So think of like bedazzled, think of pop art like Andy Warhol, and it's like tomato soup, you know, that graphic design, with like asymmetrical faces. Also like newspaper and those comic strips type of tops, and graffiti and things like that. But I do love that as a statement. I've realized I've been wearing a lot of like minimal things, and it's pretty boring, at least to me. So I am looking for more of cool t-shirts, tanks type of thing, kind of towards like spring and summer, so I can wear it out, because sometimes like it gets kind of boring being minimal. But I do like the graphic t-shirts that I've been seeing on Poshmark and eBay, and I did find a really cool one last time I went thrifting, and it was that cowgirls t-shirt. Even though it was kind of like 2020 that was trending, I still really like it. I love that there's words all over it, and it has like a little bedazzle in the front, so it's like all the elements in one of what I've been looking for in a top basically. So yeah, I'm looking for more things like that I can kind of incorporate to all the things that I've been wearing that's very minimal. So a completely different twist from minimal style is metallic pants. I've been liking metallic pants for some time now. I've been seeing it in holidays, and now I see it kind of towards spring and pops of colors. And this one pant in particular I've been liking lately is the, I don't know what brand it is, but it's like a teal metallic coated pant, and I cannot for the life of me pay so much money for it. I will show a photo of it. It's just crazy expensive, so I made a pair of pants. They kind of remind me of the Sax Pots pants, you know, that was holographic, but I found a material that was a spandex kind of metallic. But I think it came out good, and I might, I don't know, I might wear it for the concert. But yeah, I'm really excited to wear it, and yeah, just make your clothes, I guess, at the end of the day. If you can't find something and you've been really liking it, or it's out of your price range, just make it. I don't know, just make it. It came out good to me, so. Next trend I've been really liking lately is like crochet and distress knit, and this is nothing new. I talked about this in my last trends video, and I kind of talked more about it for like fall themed, but I'm thinking about this more for summer and spring. Think of like very like cardigans you can wear with your tank tops. Think of sweater vests you can put over like a plain t-shirt. Think of just an added layer piece, an added texture to an outfit. And also I've been seeing this like in different bold colors. Yeah, I've really been liking it, and I'm looking on eBay and Poshmark currently for things like that I think will just add a little element to an outfit. The next trend that I've been really eyeing lately is duffel bags, but the mini ones that go crossbody, and more particular the Louis Vuitton monogram bag. Obsessed with it. They're super expensive, obviously they're like $1,000 and up because it's designer, but what I've been doing lately is looking on eBay for used ones and seeing if I can like bid or get an offer. For the most part they go for like $200 to $300, so I can kind of afford that. And it's funny because the last time I went to work I saw 5 women with this bag. 5 women with the same bag I wanted. I was just internally crying because it's so perfect. I see it in person and I'm just like, yes, definitely, that's what I want. That's something that I really want. And if I don't get the duffel bag, it is what it is. I just want to, you know, express to you guys that I really like the duffel bag. I love the style of it. It's something different. Next trend that I've been really liking lately is tennis skirts, or I guess mini skirts. Let's just put it like half mini skirts, half tennis skirts. So basically I know that the micro mini skirts are gonna be trending for spring and summer. I'm not the type of person that usually wears mini skirts, but if you find tennis skirts with the shorts underneath it, it's all good. There will be no accidents, no one will see anything. I love that. So lately I've been looking for tennis skirts with the shorts underneath it, but like kind of like a band-aid bodycon. I don't know the kind of terminology for these skirts, but you know, the fitted skirt, not the pleated or ruffle skirt, but just like a fitted black or like one color skirt. I've been looking for it on eBay and Poshmark, and there's so much athletic gear that has it. Also, I have a friend who talked about it being in Hollister and Abercrombie and all those places, so you can definitely find it everywhere. And I think this is definitely going to be like an it skirt to wear from the spring and summer, because micro mini skirts are going to be really trending, and I think it's just the safest bet to wear these type of skirts because you have that safety you know, you have that safety net just in case the wind blows or something happens or you bend down. I don't know. I've been really liking those, and I've been looking for it to wear for the spring and summer. So the last trend is matching sets, and I love matching sets. It makes an outfit easy. The easier the better. I'm thinking of sweater sets, the matching tank with the matching sweater. I think it's super easy and effortless. I've been looking on eBay and Poshmark for like bright colored sets, like ribbed, not necessarily like really heavy sets, so I can wear for the spring, kind of before it gets really hot, and I can wear that with like a skirt or some shorts, you know. And then also the matching pants with the top is super easy to wear for the spring and summer. Think of like the wide leg pants with like the button down. I think it's super chic, and it just makes it easier for you to get dressed up in the morning rather than think of like what matches with what. You can just put it all together, or you can also wear it separately. It's just, I love having those two. You can have the option to wear both or to wear it separately, and I've been really looking to see if I can find something cute, like obviously pops of color for the spring and summer. So that's all the trends I've been loving lately. Hope you enjoyed this video, and please comment down below what's something you've been loving lately and what you're excited to wear for the spring and summer. I'll see you next time, and I love you guys. Bye.